Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E6i, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. You need to begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access System. Then select Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard, and Revert. Finally, click on Theme section and scroll all the way down. Then tap on Show More at the bottom right corners to see all available themes. Then just tap on the best one for you. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher, and hit Apply to save your new theme. So when I do that and go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to customize it, go into exactly the same settings, but this time select this plus icon under My Themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Tap on Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!